Hi, this is Holly Bellabono. I'm the instructor for the Cell Organic course. And what we're going to go through in this course together is a variety of certifications, credentials, you could call them, commitments, really, that any kind of business, whether you're in the natural products industry or not, can avail yourself of, can commit to, so that you are proving to your constituents, to your clients, your customers, all of your stakeholders, your team especially, that you are transparent and you are accountable, especially in the realm of environmental and social activity. So we're going to walk through and identify dozens of the really key and traditional and new commitments that are available. We're going to talk about environmental, including forest, farm, waste, thinking ahead, downstream activities, um, uh, animal welfare. We're going to talk about social commitments such as women-owned, minority-owned businesses, fair trade, fair hiring, all of the various practices that most consumers today, especially Millennial and Gen X and Gen Z, that they are requiring. They're demanding companies of all stripes engage in this sort of transparent accountability and promise to be better and to think ahead and to be a force for good. We're going to go over B Corps and what a B Corp is, or a benefit corporation. We're going to talk about the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. You're going to get a big 60,000 degree or 60,000 mile um, overview of what these are, what they mean, where to get them, and why it's important. So join me in this course. It's a really incredible starting point for you and your team, no matter what business you're in, no matter what size your company is. It's valid, it's relevant for sole proprietors, to LLCs, to S Corps, and beyond. So join me in this course. It's on demand. You can watch it anytime. You can watch it over and over again. It comes with resources that are yours to keep and download so that you can work with your team and make the decisions that are right and relevant for you and your company.